Looking for a smart AI assistant that can help you with school, work, or content creation? Here's how to use Hula AI, the powerful app that's helping thousands get things done faster. First, open the app and land on the dashboard. You'll immediately see different categories like popular, image to clip, any photo to video, camera motion, AI packs, action figures, AI stickers for Messenger, AI video, anime, action videos, sensation, interactions for two, fashion, cartoon, and time machine. Just pick any feature you like. For example, if you choose 3D cartoon, it's super easy. Just select a photo from your gallery and tap Generate. Wait a few seconds, and the app will create a cartoon version of your photo. That's it. Some features are locked, so if you want full access to all tools and remove limits, you'll need to subscribe to Hula AI Pro. Just tap Pro in the upper and choose your plan, weekly or yearly. Pro gives you unlock 100 plus AI styles, remove watermark, create vibrant videos. So, if you want to create cool videos, animations, and AI effects easily, download Hula AI, explore the features, and go pro to unlock everything. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.